If you have a newer style axial encoder, or if the new style got sent to you, it will have a LED actually built into the DB9 connector. This is beneficial when you're rotating it over. You can see this light up when you get to that C-pulse instead of having to bend down to the TGPU board. Now once you finish setting the C-pulse, go ahead and install your left and right side covers and your top gantry fan covers. And to do a quick check, make sure the C-pulse is set properly, go ahead and hit your gantry alignment lights button on your left control panel, and the gantry will rotate 2 to 3 times, and it should stop with the tube at roughly 3 o'clock.